You have more pressure. Someone is watching from behind. So, hello and welcome to another video. Today I have Luis with me. According to DVSA, any learner need around 40 hours of professional training and 20 hours private practice. If you can tell me how much training you have taken so far.
16 hours or 8 weeks.
Only 16 hours.
Yeah, 16
And we are going for mock test.
on Wednesday.
And his actual test is on
Wednesday. The 20th of May.
And how you feel?
Pretty confident. We'll see how we go on today.
So how you managed to improve so quickly with 16 hours only?
Good teacher. Really good teacher.
And you're a good learner as well. Yeah, quick learner. So we are doing mock test here in Garage Green today. You have more pressure. Someone is watching from behind.
The one that gets on to me about driving is watching this talk.
Okay. Any question?
None at all.
So I have question for you then. If you can tell me, how would you know if your anti-lock brake system is not working before starting any journey?
When you switch on the car, the symbol should pop up, and if it stays on, then that's when you know there's a problem.
Good, perfect. Drive off when you're ready. Driving fault for moving off safety. He checked all around but then delayed moving because of a car approaching from behind. He should have checked the right blind spot again immediately before moving off.
At the end of the road, turn right, Garage Green Lane. Cross the roundabout and take the second exit, Lee Hall Road. Cross the roundabout and take the third exit. After 200 yards,
Pull up on the left
go
on
right
safe
the
place.
roundabout and take
Driving fault for signal timing. There was a side road on the left and signaling early to pull up on the left could have been misleading. As no one was waiting at the side road, I marked it as a driving fault for early signaling. Serious fault for moving off safety. He missed the right blind spot again before moving off. And he also failed to spot a car that had just merged from the side road and was attempting to overtake. This time I marked it as a serious fault for moving off safety. Now when it is safe, if you can show me how will you roll down and roll up your window, please.
Yeah.
Thank you.
After 200 yards, turn right, Audley Road, then, at the end of the road, turn left.
Just to clear instruction, there is no right turn. Just keep going around the bend and at the end turn left, please.
Turn right, then At the end of the road, turn left. Turn left, then cross the roundabout and take the second exit.
Now ignore the instruction for now and go left from the roundabout first exit.
Flaxley Road. Cross the roundabout and take the second exit.
You can take next left please into the car park. Now I want you to do forward bay parking.
Yep.
You can choose any bay whenever you're ready. After this forward bay parking, he opened the door before securing the vehicle. Always secure the car first, park in an automatic and neutral with the handbrake in manual before opening the door to check whether you are in the bay or not. Right. Now, if you can reverse out and face right, please. Keep driving and we are exiting the car park, same way where we came in.
After 80 yards, go left on the roundabout and take the first exit, Flaxley Road.
Now you can continue following the set nav, please.
Go left on the roundabout and take the first exit, A4040, Station Road. Turn right, then turn left.
So it's not this left, but the next one.
Turn left. After 200 yards, cross the roundabout and take the second exit, Coventry Road. Cross the roundabout and take the second exit. He slightly lost his position on this roundabout, but as no one was in the right-hand lane and it caused no danger, no fault was recorded. He didn't check his left mirror while merging from the right-hand lane to the left. This can be marked as a serious fault on your driving test even if no one is present in the left lane. Always check the mirror before changing direction.
serious fault for use of speed. This was a 30-mile-per-hour road and he was driving at 36. I had to remind him of the correct speed.
30 road.
Praise Road.
30 road.
Turn left.
Driving fault for clearance. He went a bit too close to the parked car on the left.
After 200 yards, cross the roundabout and take the second exit, Braze Road.
Now, how you feel?
I feel like, other than maybe one situation where I pulled up on the left and had to, and then proceed, I don't think it would have been the forgetting to put it out of park. It would have been maybe rechecking my left blind spot because of that black Audi TT that pulled out behind. That would have been the
Yes.
serious.
Yes.
That's the only one.
Yes,
And then maybe, I think the only other one after that, I wasn't 100% confident I did Swan Island correctly, but then I feel like,
Yeah, you haven't done 100% correctly, but I haven't marked any mistake.
Okay,
Because
but-
you slightly drift to the right lane, but
yeah,
then you
that's what I
straight
felt
away
like
you
it
came
was.
back
That's
to the
what
left.
I felt like it was, yeah.
But nobody was there,
Yeah.
and you straight away come back. So
Yeah.
is not enough to justify marking a
I feel like
fault.
maybe one or two of the first roundabouts left mirror check on the way out, but they're minors, I'm pretty sure, unless I do it over and over.
Anything else you remember, which might be serious?
The speed
Yes,
in
where I
on
remind
Carpentry
you
Road where you had
speed.
to tell me, yeah.
So what is speed on that road?
30.
And what was your speed?
It was like 36 or something like that.
36.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are two serious faults.
That were the two seriouses. Okay.
Other than that, you drove very well, you are confident.
Yeah.
Why you get nervous about moving off?
I don't even know in that situation. Normally I don't. I think I was just similarly to a few lessons ago where I was a bit overconfident.
Yeah, I think that you did that because of nervousness.
Yeah.
You little bit panicked.
Yeah,
When you
potentially.
observe and try to move, car didn't move, you got panicked. Why is not moving? Then you
Yeah.
saw he's not prepared. Then you prepared,
Yeah.
and then you rushed.
Yeah.
You did not properly observe.
Yeah.
So what you can do in that situation
Just not panic.
is not a mistake not preparing and observing.
Yeah, it's the.
You,
I said it
you
to myself as
observe,
soon
you
as-
try to move, didn't move, see, find out what's happening, then you realize it's not prepared.
Yeah.
No mistake mark so far.
Yeah.
What you can do, prepare, complete proper observation again and go.
Yeah.
There's no need to
Yeah,
panic.
very easily avoidable, that one. Very easily avoidable. Yeah. What about minors, many?
Not many minus.
Yeah.
Just moving off safety, speed, and clearance here.
With the
Yeah,
white
where the
Toyota.
blue car was coming and white Toyota on the left.
Yeah. Very easily avoidable.
So thank you very much for watching. Let me know in the comments how he drove after just 16 hours of training, and he failed, but he will be fine in the actual test. What do you think? Yeah.
I'll smash it. I
Yeah.
will.